everyone, welcome to this tutorial. So in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to record screencast in Bloom 3 on Ubuntu. So basically to record to cast your screen on Ubuntu or GNOME desktop is actually not that easy, because you have to get I don't know, an external software or something to do that. So but basically if you are using GNOME desktop on your Ubuntu or any other OS, there is a built-in screen recording feature that allows you to make a video of what's on your desktop with ease, comfort, and control. So basically, it's very easy to cast your screen on GNOME desktop. So we know GNOME is a free and open source desktop environment used by most GNU Linux distributions like Fedora, OpenSUSE, Ubuntu. So basically, it's designed to get things done with ease and comfort. So now to start using this feature, all you need to do is press the combination of Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R. So basically, you need to press the combination of these four keys, Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R. So to enable the feature, so Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R. So basically Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R. So the moment you press that, you should see an icon here, an orange icon, which means the video is recording. So which means the video recorder is working and your screen is being casted. So and to stop the video, all you need to do is just press the same key, Ctrl+Shift+Alt+R, and that's all. So to get your video, all you need to do is head over to the folder, go to your videos folder. Then you should see your videos which are in WebM format. So basically, yep. So this is the video we just took. Yeah. So that's all. So with this now, you don't need to use an external cast and an external software to cast your screen or so. So by default, the length of the video is usually 30 seconds, but we can extend it using a command line. So basically, to check it, you have to use gsettings, get org.gnome.settings daemon.plugins.media keys max-screencast-length. So with these, so I already changed mine to 240. So basically, once you do this, you should get 30 or so if you haven't changed yours. So to set yours to mine, then all you have to do is same command, but just change, rather than using get, use set. Then at the end of the command, add the length of the video you want to be taken. So you can also change it these GNOME features. I can just quickly record a short screencast and so on. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial. So so you guys should go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed watching this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for this video. Thank you for watching this actually.